Cluiche. So bhéal blaschaint alpanach ruaí mar chluichas tú ana Frangish.
More wanderers.
Joe Valor.
Behind you!
Yeah, as easy as falling off a box. Can't tell how long these people are dead.
The original settlers, perhaps.
Whoever, this doesn't bode well.
This could be Pàirt as then, yeah. Attacking with your weapons fills the banish gauge. It's full press X.
Petty fiend.
Target. Ooh, Sparta. Finisher. Feature. A note, damp and bloody. Perhaps these words will be lost in time, but I must write them. The date I cannot say. I know it's the month of June in the year 1695. I thought we would be safer in Providence. Thought we would finally see the children again, and the golden wheat fields would ring with their laughter. Their mother now lies dead, and I shall join her soon. Something insidious walks the road. Terrible spirits took us. New Eden is cursed. You who read this now, I tell you, run.
These people left New Eden town just a few days ago. What exactly is going on here?
Spectral dust, spectral dust, spectral, spectral dust. Treasure. Alpha Wanderer.
Enough.
Kamalenan.
That augurs badly for the case.
Situation's worse than you thought.
Let's wait to hear what Charles has to say.
There's always a speech, Charles. Yeah, sure. January, New England or some kind of Pàirt and Charlock. Good night, X-Men.
Empty docks in a growing settlement. Never a good sign. Are the town selectmen sitting on their arses?
Isn't that what selectmen do?
Da, da, da. Some name, picture. Name. Oh. Okay. And
when
the
we get
controls.
to town, we may need to split up.
Do
to
not
cover
call
more
us the
ground.
more Dark Souls.
You may count on the most responsible student a Banisher could have.
We'll see if you remember some of your teaching. If you're up for it.
Always. Who the hell burns their own kirk?
People who fear pestilence or disease. Or both.
Very biblical.
Cheer for the Hownet or pestilence, it's disease. Cluicheamaid. Susanna, it's been days since we ate. Each day the town empties farther. Folk would sooner risk the cold than stay. The minister said help was on its way, but I do not know how much time we have left, or how much time before the next sickness takes us all. I shall entrust my neighbour with this letter in the hope that it will reach you. If nothing changes, I'll try to cross the woods myself. I hear folk assemble bands, the better to safely travel the wilderness. Safely brave the wilderness. May God help us, Sarah. Okay.
People are leaving. The town is emptying. Stay on your guard.
Hello. Mi fiach in Rishaniana. Go bhí mór an flaimte sac go medhacal na. There's always me look up. Boston, Fort Jericho, Harrow's Hamlet. Harrow Nonagesimus.
Not the busiest stables I've ever seen. No ostler and no horses.
They burned their crops and ran out of food. And they probably ate the horses.
Chervil. Ik gaat na heich. Barre Agent Ood. Nuig Agent, I suppose. At Nuig Auric, New York.
A welcoming committee.
Let's find the inn. Let's find Charles.
I show off Auric in Thurston kind of get out straight in America. Gene Stike, Bala Marsha, Gira.
It'll be good to see Charles and Esther again.
Resident Evil
on the sanctity of marriage?
China.
A pretty word for a set of shackles.
I'm sure folk here are just as open-minded as Charles.
East current location. Okay, looks like the end. Cool, let's down here. In stop cemetery. Okay, so this kind of patience, tile stuff.
This must be the inn.
Shashim,
Charlie, we're here. Your prayers are answered. Pour us a drink.
Finally. Banisher, please come in. As it is cold, your serving woman may sit while we talk.
I'm the help. She's the boss. You're not Charles.
My name is Antea Duarte. This is my partner, Red McWraith. Good day to you, sirs, madam. Now, where's Charles?
Minister Davenport said help was on its way. I assumed...
Keep digging, Fairfax. Good day. Pennington, captain of the train band. This here is thick-skinned Newsmith. We're the selectmen.
What's left of us?
Why is Charles not here?
We're sorry for your loss. We'll do what we can for his widow.
The Reverend is dead. When? How?
A terrible tragedy. Though our faith sustains us, we are still very much in shock.
Our shock at Reverend Davenport's killing is so great that we must sit here in comfort, losing precious time.
As governor of the colony of New Eden, it is my responsibility.
Look at us, sat here waiting to meet the same fate. We could all be miles away by now. You lot do what you want. I intend living.
Okay, just tell him
The
fix it.
esteemed select woman can be brusque. Forgive her. And rest assured that her aptitudes far outweigh her manners. Or lack thereof.
Her point still stands, Fairfax. Sitting here, doing nothing, we're as lambs to the slaughter.
The Banishers are here. Surely with their expertise we may yet prevail.
Then I shall leave you and your expertise in ghosts and devils to find out. My expertise in blood and battle is of little use. Mistress Duarte, if I can be of service, yous may visit me at home. On the other side of the street, as it were.
Well, Governor, shall you leave or shall you stay?
For myself, I'll stay. Our company has suffered terribly. But we are worth saving. And now that you are here, Save it we shall. Please, accept my sincerest condolences for the loss of your friend. We feel the loss of our minister so very keenly. Charles Davenport was a man of great knowledge and devotion. The pride, indeed, of New Eden. It discommodes me greatly to remember how we found his body in the cemetery. Indeed, it distresses me yet further to tell you that we do not know what so tragically cost him his life.
What do you think happened?
I could guess, to little use. It is evident, however, that Charles's unexpected death is linked to his investigation of the curse. In the minister's absence, I try, in all humility, to protect us all, body and soul, from our ongoing peril. You see, in my youth, I too was something of a demonologist. Rather a good one, if I say so myself.
We're not demonologists, and neither was Charles. Is his widow Esther taking visitors?
The widow Davenport is at home, and does not much venture out. Her house overlooks the dock. I offered Charles a home with a view across a pretty meadow, but he refused. He preferred the village life. Speak to her, if she'll see you. But she knows no more than we do about how her husband died.
You're a demonologist, you say?
I am that, like my father was before me. Faith and science are our twin compasses, you see, to a deeper understanding of the secrets of God's green and pleasant land, and those who threaten it.
And what have your compasses told you about the curse?
They have told me that Reverend Davenport was better placed than I to solve our problem. Which is why you're here. We agreed it. I shall stand for the company, I said, as the moral authority, the anchor, and the rock, as Charles and his Banishers lift the curse.
Inch. Elizabeth Nasha Kurnamchaine Shah the Witcher. Fuse Doi and the Canteen Maz. Banisher. Banisher, you're here. I've had a command Witcher. Inch.
Perhaps we may come to you for advice.
Please do, madam, for I would be only too glad to give it.
Carson aha bala cha faluf.
Why is town so empty?
Of those who did not die, we are the few who stayed. Though our motivations may differ, all who remain have shown extraordinary faith and courage in the face of our adversity.
Those who left, where did they go?
Boston, outlying settlements. Anywhere, everywhere. Although, as you may have heard, the weather has likely closed the roads. Some believe the path through the dark woods offers salvation. I do not. I believe we must stand our ground.
And Sheila.
Will they return when the curse is lifted?
I fervently hope so. They have homes here. But we sent the children away some time ago, and many could not live with their absence. If we do not resolve this situation quickly, the community of New Eden shall be broken, perhaps forever.
What can you tell me about the curse?
I can tell you that it has been our misery for many long months now, and I can tell you that it worsens by the increment. First, there was pestilence and disease. Then came the nightmares.
Genius.
Then came madness. In the end came death. And death remains. But in all honesty, I think the weather is the worst part. This never-ending winter hangs heavy on us all. Worse yet, it traps us here.
Well, is any sin. J. Amphisivic Charloch.
What did Charles know about it? What had he learned?
Tragically, I had not yet had the opportunity to discuss his investigation, and his passing now excludes the possibility. Our late friend Charles faced a Herculean task and acquitted himself with honor. You will have to do far better than that, I'm afraid.
Our contract stands.
If you'll have it, yes, our contract stands for Charles.
All right. For Charles.
I guess her son and Skull, okay. Her son the movie.
We have what we need.
Then I wish you success. By my instruction, a room is prepared for you in the old schoolhouse. I'll be here if you need me.